Hey, it's Shooter99, and you are about to watch a RC recording race. Hey, what's up? It's Shooter99, and you just watched a RC recording race that I just decided to try out. This is still a beta test. It's not the finished thing. So, yeah, my friend MegaBlackBird45 has something to say.
My name is MegaBlackBird45, and I'll be doing a Mob of the Dead live stream with gamevids/Corey. So if you want to play with me in 6 to 5 hours, just send me a message and I'll invite you and you can play with us. Peace out.
And a quick note to that, I will also be playing with them, and my gamertag is UxoriousPack2. Both of our gamertags will be in the description. Peace off.